are going to talk about a protein-rich soup. This is a thick soup and it is a balanced soup because it has soya chunks, soya beans and lot of vegetables. This soup can be completely used as a replacement meal. This particular soup is rich in protein and fiber and hence it helps in weight loss and helps in treating people with PCOS and hypothyroidism since it has got a lot of anti-inflammatory properties. Soybean has got lipid lowering properties, hence it can be given to people with higher cholesterol. Soybean along with meal maker is a very rich source of protein and fiber. This particular recipe has got 12 grams of protein. People who stay alone or people who are bachelors or people who are office going people who don't have time to cook much can cook this easy recipe at home and it is very simple and quick recipe. Tip of the day. Many people prefer to have thin soups, but thin soups are like appetizers. Once you have them, you'll start having your hunger very soon. Instead, prefer to go with a thicker soup which can be used as a replacement meal. You can completely replace your breakfast with this soup.